Animals. What are they? Why are they? How are they? Some of them are fluffy. Some of them are slimy. Some of them can fly. Some of them can't. Some of them look like they can fly, but can't. Some of them look like they can't fly, but do. But they all have one thing in common. Humans love them.
Hi, I'm Captain Starlight, and today I'll be travelling to planet Earth to explore all creatures, great and small.
Using my picture to guide me, I was still struggling to find any cats on Earth. I asked some humans, but they didn't seem to know what I was talking about. I was beginning to think cats were imaginary on Earth, like dinosaurs or koalas. But using my high-tech cat capturing contraption, I finally managed to find one in the wild.
Hello there. Captain Starlight, very nice to meet you. This one? No? Well, the people want to know, what's your name? How old are you? Oh, is it true that you like lasagna? Oh, no, in the mic, please.
This particular cat seemed a bit camera shy, so we observed it from a distance. The cat mostly ignored me and my questions, but it gave me a chance to take some notes and make corrections to the Captain Starlight Earth Animal database.
No, it's right in front of me. No, it's much smaller than we thought. 4 feet. No, not 4 feet tall. It's got 4 feet.
I tried to play fetch with the cat, but it didn't seem very interested. Then I tried some music, but nothing. I offered the cat many types of food, but it seemed to like eating the grass more. I guess cats are vegetarians. I was beginning to wonder why so many humans decided to keep cats as pets when they didn't seem very friendly. But I think I understand now. Having documented all that I could, I left the cat with a token of my thanks and said goodbye.
Do you have a cat at home? What's your favourite animal? I'll be back soon discovering more creatures on planet Earth. Until next time, meow meow meow, meow meow meow, meow.